Today, we will be going over how to wrap the roof of your car with Vicrez PPF protective film wrap. For this video, we will be wrapping our Corvette C8 with the pre-cut roof kit, which comes with 2 separate pieces. These pieces will fit your car perfectly and won't require any cutting.
All right, now we've got our roof piece. This is going to be the largest center of the roof for the C8. This is our pre-cut kit. So we are going to pull down the top piece of our film. And as we do that, we're going to spray our film with water, spray your roof with our slip solution. Let the film hang down halfway. Be generous with the slip solution. Now we're going to take that piece that we just folded down and fold it back over onto the backing paper. Now we're going to repeat that same process with the other side. And we're going to fold that back over, and you're going to check for your front and your back edge. Once you have all that set, go ahead and fold your passenger side of the roof down halfway. Now we're going to peel off our film completely. While it's folded in half, we're going to lay our film down on the driver's side. So once we've got our film laid, we're going to start lining up our top edge on the front, and then we're going to line up our back edge as well, all the way to the back. Now we're going to grab just our tack solution because we've already sprayed enough slip solution under the film. We're going to start lining up our corners on the front. Go ahead and tack that down. Lock that front edge. Now we're going to go to the passenger side and do the same thing. So with your hand, you're going to squeegee out all of your slip. Now we're going to spray our tack. And when we spray our tack, we want to focus on all the deep parts of the roof. Just like that. Lock down the middle. With one hand, you're going to squeegee all that water, and with the other hand, grab your squeegee and follow your hand. Just like that, just to lock the middle of that down. All that slip out. Now, same process on this side. Be generous with the tack solution because we are going to squeegee all that out. Like that. Once you have that edge laid, pick up your side and then spray your tack solution. Grab your squeegee, tuck in, and fold your film over. So once we have all that locked down, now we're going to tack all this down all the way to the bottom. Now we're gonna move over to our driver's side and repeat the same process. Same thing, follow the process. Now we're going to swipe all the way down with nothing but tack solution. We're going to lay all of the side. At this point, you've pretty much completed the install. What we're gonna do is spray some of our slip solution, mist the top of the film, grab our squeegee, and give it one final pass. Now we're gonna go over to the passenger side and finish up. Once that's complete, go ahead, grab a towel, and just wipe off any of the excess moisture. Once that's done, go ahead and go over the install. Make sure you don't have any water, slip, tack solution left over under the film. If you do, go ahead, lift up the film, spray some slip solution, and then reapply your tack and squeegee out. Because this is a pre-cut kit, there's no trimming or wrapping of any edges involved. At this point, you're just gonna go ahead and let it dry out. Give it a final wipe down and go over all your edges. Make sure everything's lined up the way you want it. So another piece of the pre-cut kit for the roof will include this front piece. This goes right above your rooftop and on top of your windshield. So we're gonna apply the same process, fold the film in half, peel one side, and then install the film. So here we'll peel half, spray our slip solution, then go ahead and peel the other half. For this piece, we're going to lay driver's side, toss your passenger side over there. Right now we want to focus on lining up our corners. Since this is a pre-cut kit, this specific piece does not have any wrapped edges. So just like our pillar, as accurate as you can possibly be. Grab your squeegee, line up your corners, top, bottom, make sure you feel the sides as well. Nothing shifted. Lock that down. Once you feel that it's secure, we're going to grab some of our slip solution. Head on over to our passenger side. Lift our film. Spray our tack solution on the film. On the corner, spray some tack solution. Line up your corners just like the driver's side. Once all that's lined up, lock that down. This piece is curved. Break it down into sections. Make sure your film doesn't shift. Line up that top and the bottom at all times. Keep it centered. Lock that film into place. Go over to your driver's side. Spray a little bit of tack solution. Line everything up. And you've pretty much completed the install at this point for your roof. Go over the edges, make sure everything's lined up the way you want it, which it is. Grab a microfiber towel, wipe it down, double, triple check for any moisture that was left over. Once you've wiped off all of the excess moisture on top, go ahead, look over your install, make sure there's no bubbles, any air pockets, water pockets. Once you've done so, and there's none of that, you've pretty much completed the entire install for your roof kit on the Corvette C8.